Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find your ID on Marvel Snap. So let's dive right into it. So once you're in your game, just go to your setting. It should be the gear icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on it. On your setting page, just scroll to the bottom. At the bottom of the page, you can see here it's written Snap ID, and beside it, it's written tap to reveal Snap ID. So to know your Snap ID, just tap on it to reveal it. And here you can see my Marvel Snap ID has been revealed. And you can reveal your Marvel Snap ID by just following the process I shown in the video. So if you have any confusion following the step, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips as such. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.